Hey there, it's My-Ngoc from Hippo and Kiwi Studio, and I've got something festive and fun for you today. A brand new Canva frame template, perfect for the holidays. This one's a Merry Christmas design, and I can't wait to show you how to use it. Let's jump in and get creative. Because the first one I have is a Merry Christmas design that has leaves and stars around it. And what you need to do is you just need to drag and drop your patterns, images, or videos onto the frames. And this is a multi-layer frame, as you can tell when you go into positions. So there are lots of different frames and layers. So with these, it's great in that you can delete and move around the different layers. And also these I've grouped together. So this is basically just the black background. And let me see, I'm going to ungroup it. So now you see, and it's so hard sometimes to move these around together when you have so many different things going like this design. So what I do is I like to group them so that I don't lose anybody in my little design. So that's why I have it grouped. So if you want to ungroup, it's best to go into layers so you know you have the right one. You see the one with the squares and the circle corners there, that those are all grouped together, and that gives you the black outline. So it's just the frames and then the black outlines. Okay, so let's go back. So we're going to drag and drop these patterns, and these are actually your bonus patterns, a little bit modern Christmassy designs. So just take it, drag it, take another pattern, drag it over, and sometimes when they're really tiny, you just have to go slowly to the edges. And when you find that you can't do it, it might be because it's maybe behind something else, like maybe this Merry Christmas sign. So you might have to go to layers and then move the stars forward and then put in your patterns. So we just continue, drag, see the stars, see this, you look up and you're dragging, you look up, why can't I do it? You keep on dragging slowly until it hits the stars. See where the purple square is? Anywhere in there you would get the stars. So you see, so now if you want to make it bigger, because it's so tiny, but let me just make this a little bit bigger so you can see. There it is. Okay, so then we double click on the star and then we can make it bigger like that. All right, same thing here. Again, I'm doing the pattern, but you can do this with photos. Let me go up and see what photos are. So I'm going to pick this cute little snowflake and put it there. Same thing, too tiny, so you can make it bigger if you want. Now you can see the snowflakes better. And again, you could also make the whole leaves bigger. So you're not just constrained to this size. You can make this frame bigger. And you can make this frame bigger. Like that. And the stars you can make bigger, okay? And you can also move it around. Let's say you don't want it there, you want it here, you don't want this here, and you might want to take the little black dot, because really it's supposed to be like whatchamacallit, like a little berry. Okay, so you can move it around here if you want to put it here. So since they're on different layers, you are able to do that. Okay, that's what's so great about these multi-layer frames. And let's see, we'll do another photo here. And here you can rotate your graphics or your patterns. So double click on your graphics and just rotate them like this. And when you're happy with them, you just click anywhere else. And then now it's different. Okay, so that's the first frame. And what I've done is I just decided that this is just too much clutter for some people. So I've or like you just want to start with Merry Christmas and add your own design, like, so I just have one where it's just the greeting, and then you could drag the whole frame in, and that's it. And then you could add something else. Let's say Christmas, right? You can add this if you like, something of your own. It could be clip art from Creative Fabrica or Canva, or your own clip arts if you, or any other creative markets. So you can just use the greeting itself and then add something of your own like this. Just makes it so much easier than trying to like delete every single one of these out just to get the Merry Christmas. So that's why I did that. Okay, and then also, I know you probably know this already, but you can also change the black shadow. You can move it up. You have to ungroup it first. Ungroup, and then select the shadow. Let's see which one of you. Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you just go into position, and here's the black layer. So then you can move the black layer around like this, or move it like this. Okay, and let's see. So the next one I have is I just add the leaves. So you can do individual, just the leaves without all the other stars and things from the first page. And then this one, I decided to merge all the leaves together, so it's one whole frame. So if we pick one of these photos and drag it into the leaves, every single one of them, the leaves would have the same pattern like that. So that, you know, for those of you who don't want to just individually put patterns into each leaves, that's why I did that. And then with the stars, you can just finish off like this, and you could add something else into the Merry Christmas, and you are done. Okay, and then after that, just remember to group them all together and then copy and paste into your work. All right, so thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day, everybody.